Hey everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. I want to do a preview of how we're going to do the postcard auction on Whatnot on Saturday, May 7th, which is tomorrow. Going to have these 3 boxes up here, and we're going to pick from each box. So we're going to pick like 25, 25, 25, and then come back here, 25, 25, 25, and then eventually get to 50, 50, 50, and then eventually get to 100, 100, 100. I'll draw, 25 here, 25 here, and then 25 there. And we'll do it by weight initially to get an idea of, getting 25 cards, 50 cards, whatever. But what we'll find out here is that 25 unsleeved cards it weighs less than 4 ounces. 25 sleeved card weighs a little over 5 ounces. So we'll have to figure that out as we go. But you will, as I started, you will have at least 25 or at least 50 or at least 100 or however many we do. I'm going to also have some sleeves in the store. Probably like 2 packs for $5 or, $2.50 a pack, something like that. It'd be best if you go ahead and win some postcard lots, and if you need sleeves, it's only $1 shipping, so you could get 2 packs for $6, which are probably cheaper than what you could get them on Amazon if you only need a couple bags. Going to do giveaways. Going to have at least 3 giveaways, and we're going to have 2 giveaways if they are triggered by those mystery cards, and more about that during the auction. So that'll be the Saturday auction. We'll go until we get rid of these or until I am tired. Okay, the auction on next Tuesday, going to be more focused on topics. And I'll go through the topics here. We have 20 mermaids, 25 Disney, 25 Mississippi, 17 mining related, 22 mailman and messenger like cards, over 50 floral, 28 Santas. We have 35 military humor. And then, what's this one? This is 50 roadside restaurants, motels, gas stations. We have 31 amusement parks, 25 patriotic and U.S. flags, over 50 Christmas. This is 50 Michigan cards. That is 50 Arizona cards. We have 67 real photos of babies and kids, over 50 bears. And then we have 78 Easter, 57 CDV photos, so really old 1860s-ish era and older, and actually newer. Let me see, 50 really nice unidentified real photo postcards, 50 Tennessee cards, 88 military, over 130 ships, 72 state maps. And this is 100, where is that? That one right there, 100 trains. This one is 58 Valentines. Then we have, we'll do this 2 pounds of miscellaneous ephemera. And then we have 50 New Mexico, 89 military, 74 good luck birthday and greeting cards, and 50 New Jersey cards. These are going to be in the store. I have 20-some packs of these pre-packaged antique vintage Christmas cards, all pre-1930s. There's 20 in a pack. These are more of your generic Christmas cards. There's not going to be any Santas. There's not going to be any dressed animals. There's no angels, no Christmas trees. It's more this type of stuff, more generic. Great for crafters. There's a foreign one there. Crafters, junk journalers, what are those other ones called? Those are called scrapbookers, stuff like that. I think there's 25 or so of those. And then those are all 20 Christmas cards, and then several packs of like 25 Easter cards, also more on the generic side. So there's that. Come join me this Saturday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern and 8 o'clock Tuesday. I think that's May 10th, 8 o'clock Eastern. Thank you.